How to insert your contact lenses. First, wash your hands with antibacterial soap and dry your hands thoroughly. Pick up your contact lens with clean fingers, ensuring it's not inside out, and check the lens for any debris or faults. Gently place the contact lens on the tip of your index finger, making sure it's centered. Using your free hand, hold your lower eyelid open to create a wider space to insert the lens. Lower your gaze and place the lens directly onto your eye's surface, aiming for the center. Blink a few times to make sure the lens is properly positioned and adjusted on your eye. Repeat the process with the other eye, ensuring you follow the same steps for a consistent experience. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you on how to put contact lenses in.